How to view my Wi-Fi password. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva here, back with another video. In this updated video, I'll show you how to view your Wi-Fi password on your phone. The process is pretty straightforward, folks, so let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. Click on this gear icon that represents your settings. Look for the connections option, which includes Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and SIM management. Click on this connections option. You'll see options for Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, NFC. What do we want? Wi-Fi. Tap on Wi-Fi. Here you'll see if Wi-Fi is on, which network you're connected to, and available networks. Click on the gear icon for settings again. You'll see the network security and a password option. The password is hidden by default. To reveal it, tap the eye icon. See how it's blocked? Just tap the eye and verify your identity to see your password. Quick and easy, right? Did you manage? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorial videos. That's all for now. Take care, everyone. God bless. Thanks.